I didn't expect you to be here, but welcome to my home. My name is Bob. You may recognize me. I am dead, yet alive. I am the creator of all creations I made. You may see one of them. I watch my friends in the void. I hope they're doing better than me, than my pitiful life. What do you say? Let's play one more time.